Hello. Hello, everybody. Brian here, quantlabs.net. Today is July 13th, I believe. Just getting all the YouTube stuff all set up. All right, so we're going to look at some fun stuff here. Okay, so here's Yahoo Finance, the current status of everything. I listen to Bloomberg Radio now, so I don't listen to any of this is another freak show live on Yahoo Finance, so that's why I don't bother, but the data is okay. But you can see here the S&P is up a little, not very much. Dow is down, Nasdaq's up 0.25%, Russell's down 1.3%, oil's up 1.5%, gold up, silver's down. It's really mixed. You can even see the Forex is down, bonds are down, just everything's really mixed. No solid trend here. It's what the common theme here is. So let's get to the charts here on MotiveWave. Australia USD always comes up top. I don't know why. And then next up is the Australian Japanese yen. I'm not really paying a whole lot of attention to the markets in Forex. It's not really worth pursuing at this point. Oil's looking pretty good. You can see a nice solid trend there with the WTI. Brent crude had a pullback. It might start recovering. Natural gas is flattening out. And then the only other trend that I'm seeing is a solid USD Thai baht. You can see it's starting to flatten out now. So that's generally the trend that I'm seeing. US top 30, I've mentioned this before. This looks like it is the only thing worth really watching. That's the top 30 companies in the markets right now. But in terms of the Forex, it's still a complete utter mess. There's no sense of direction. And then we get into gold. Gold, depending upon the currency you want to trade in, it's got some slight longs. So there might be some rotation happening, but there's nothing confirmed. That's all determined by the gold silver ratio. I did not see that today, but you can see here just really either things are in decline, volumes are definitely off, like with the world of digital currencies, the volume's off 40%. Thanks for the like, and on we go. So get here, China, solid decline. So China's not doing too good either. Euro, Canada, complete mess. I don't know what to tell you. It's not even worth talking about. I'm looking for trends. So here's an important one: is the treasuries. You can see they're starting to short. USD China Yuan is still flat. It's been like that since June 20th, roughly. India, same thing. USD rupee, India rupee. We have here another US top 30, but there's calling for shorts there. So I'm not sure what more can I tell you. Everything is just not a happy camper right now. Natural gas has been flat. Might be the summer season. That might be part of that effect. I can't tell you. Corn, like anything to do with inflation is not there either. But here we have pound in the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar might be strengthening, but you just don't know because it doesn't hold, doesn't sustain itself. Copper down, flat as well. We had some really good solid run-ups there for a while in May. Everything's just not looking good. Australia, Canada dollar is the same. Canada, Japanese yen, flat. I mean, you get these really long calls, but we got a long call here for the UK 100. Got a slight long call for the top 30 US. Brent crude, we already looked at. Nothing to brag about that. Everything's just, I don't know. Just not looking good. So we're in a very good status right now. Even our usual USD Norway, again, it's just there's got to be something that's going to be a catalyst to really make this market pop or drop or something. They did say in August that there will be a correction, usually is. So maybe things might happen. Money being poured back into the digital currency space. Who knows? Gold in Australia is looking okay. This is where it strengthens. Similar Canadian, very, very similar between the Australian and Canadian. Swiss franc, euro, Hong Kong dollar is not going anywhere. So Asia's not going anywhere. Euro a little bit. Japanese yen's very flat. New Zealand's very flat. It's all gold in whatever currency I just mentioned. Canada, but this is now silver, very flat. I'd probably, by the look of it, better to put money into gold. It seems to outperform slightly more. Gold and euro, gold and pound. There's just nothing to brag about there. Gold, silver. So sorry, those are all silver. Silver in Singapore, silver and pound, same thing. Australia, Canada, just really no sense of direction here. I wish I could give you better news, but it's clearly not much excitement. Even the China 50 is in decline. Look how flat this Euro DKK is. Wow. Remember, these are 4-hour charts. Euro, Hong, USD. I mean, the big one, Euro USD has been flat. I mean, it's good shorting opportunities there. Japan 225. It's great mean reverting, that's for sure, if you have an oscillator that works. UK 100, same. If you're trending, looking for trends, there's not much out there. Very mixed on the US on 30-year, both long and short. Shorts on the USD China, but it's been flat. Here's an interesting one. I mentioned this, USD Thai baht bought, so it's gone flat for the last week or so. USD 30, it seems to be some performance there a little bit, but generally not in the mainstream. US indices, like the S&P, Dow, Russell, not seeing those. Everything's in decline here. Yeah. Brent crude, wheat's not, I mean, that might change late next month. Asian, ooh, is there any point looking at these? Okay, here's copper again, just flat. Again, all about that platinum flat. So there's really no threat of inflation whatsoever, despite what you hear. You can see in the charts here. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.